Hello everyone, my name is Nick Ramirez, and this is my intro video for 480 course, which is basically a prescription exercise assessment. And there's a couple things I want to just go over real quickly about myself. I am I guess at the tail end of the stretch of my kinesiology program. I'm doing my undergrads for kinesiology to take in the studies to enroll into a graduate program for a physical therapy. So my goal, my long-term, short-term goals. My short-term goal is to go to med school / PT school, which is going to help me get certifications for being a physical therapist, if not being able to go to athletic training program, which is another optional route. Which is, if you're going to have a plan, make sure you have a backup plan. So that's how I always live by, and that's my straight short-term, my long-term, short-term goals are going to be, and hopefully that I'll make it is very competitive. So, with my free time on my free time, on my days off when I'm not working in a outpatient clinic, because I work right now about 40 hours a week in a physical therapy outpatient clinic, which is a good way to get all the experience, the knowledge in it, and get to work with people in different cases and stories on each individual's ailments. On my free time though, I normally spend time in the gym. Since it's getting to the summertime, getting ready for the beach and getting ready for the surfing. I just got 2 surfboards and a boogie board and a skimboard, and I'm looking forward to just taking them out for the first time this year and go to all the different places all over the beach. I live in San Diego, so that's a good benefit and perk for that. So I'm about 15 minutes away from the beach. It's nice. And then my hobbies, besides the gym or the surfing, I like to play a lot of sports. I play basketball on my free time. I like to play football on my free time, or even so often I'll be with friends. We'll go to a brewery per se, and then we'll actually sample different beers or sample different products, and play a little bit of cornhole, which is a fun creative game. So those are some of my hobbies, I guess, which is probably not the best hobbies of drinking, but those are some of the things I like to do. But just going back to my goals, is trying to stay where I'm at in Southern California when it comes to my graduates program. It's not going to be easy, understanding that it's a very tough program to get into. I would be okay being a physical therapist and assistant, which is kind of equivalent to a physician assistant as a doctor's office. So that's my real goal, but we'll see how things go. And so thank you guys for just hearing me out of myself, my goals, my hobbies, what I like to do in my free time, and looking forward to showing more videos in the future for the assignment.